Hey, RES Luxury Group friends and family, Ruth Squires here, and I'm excited to announce a new series of activities that we are going to be hosting. We are capping off 2023. It's August already. I can't believe there's so few months left of the year, and we want to make this year go out with a bang. We thought it would be fun to host monthly gatherings where we all get together. We just enjoy each other's company and have a good time. So the first of the series is going to be this month, August 23rd from 2 to 4 p.m. And we will be going to downtown Inverness to the Depot. If you're not familiar, the Depot is the new park in downtown Inverness that was just renovated. I believe it was last year, the year before. Inverness did a beautiful job, absolutely incredible park. So we're going to gather there. We're specifically going to the train station, which is a really neat venue that has games, food, just a beautiful atmosphere. So we will be reserving a couple of the duck pin bowling lanes, and it'll just be a nice time to gather, to enjoy each other's company, have some laughs, and just have a good time, just kind of cut loose, which is something we love to do, kind of de-stress from all the other stuff that's going on. So we would love to see you there. Please click here and send us an email if you would like to be on the list for RSVP. And again, it's August 23rd from 2 to 4 p.m. Very low key, just show up with a smile on your face and we'll have a good time. Also, stay tuned. We're going to be doing other gatherings like this. We are planning to host a movie night. We would like to do some karaoke, just some fun things. Maybe the walking historic tours that we have around the county. Get you out there with us, seeing what's in the area and just enjoying time together. So can't wait to see you. Click here. Let us know if you'll be coming. And otherwise, just give us a call if you have any questions. 352-794-1426. Stay tuned for more great activities.